Good morning. Listen. You will listen to a public service announcement from the government of British Columbia with information about COVID-19 vaccines. How to get vaccinated. Citizens of British Columbia should register to be vaccinated for COVID-19. When it's your turn, all citizens should book an appointment. What are COVID-19 vaccines? COVID-19 vaccines protect against infection from the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 that causes COVID-19. The vaccines cause your body to produce antibodies. Antibodies are small cells in your blood that help protect you from getting sick from the virus. Currently, there are 5 COVID-19 vaccines approved for use in Canada. The main vaccines being used in British Columbia are the Moderna, Pfizer Biotech, AstraZeneca, and Johnson & Johnson Janssen. Who should get the vaccine? Due to limited supplies, the vaccines are initially only being provided to those citizens who are at increased risk and those most at risk of serious health complications because of their age or other health conditions. As more vaccine becomes available, others will be able to get the vaccine based on their risk of exposure. If you had or may have had COVID-19, you should still get the vaccine. This is because you may not be immune to the virus and could get sick again. What are the benefits of the vaccine? The vaccines are the best way to protect you against COVID-19. In clinical tests, those who received a vaccine were 63% to 95% less likely to become sick with COVID-19 and were almost completely protected against severe illness. Vaccines are very safe. It is much safer to get the vaccine than to get COVID-19. The vaccines are not live vaccines and cannot give you COVID. Common reactions to the vaccine may include soreness, redness, swelling, and itchiness where the vaccine was given, usually in your arm. For some people, these reactions may show up 8 or more days after getting the vaccine. Other reactions may include tiredness, headache, fever, chills, muscle or joint soreness, nausea, and vomiting. These reactions are mild and generally last 1 to 2 days. If you have concerns about any symptoms you develop, speak with your healthcare provider or call 811.